let's learn a few Excel functions, like how to add multiple cells, summary, and also adding columns. Okay, and also adding random number. Okay, this is the one, randbetween. So let's say I want to put the bottom and top number. So starting point is 500. The maximum I want to add up to 8,000, let's say. So it is going to change, randomly choose any random number between 500 and 8,000. So if you click F9, it will keep change. Or if you do any action on the Excel, it's going to be changed. So let's say I'm going to random that, this kind of. Okay, now every time when you click F9, it's going to be changed. So now you need your number, so let's lock them. I mean, I don't want to be changed all the time. So all you have to do is Control C, and then click again, Control Shift V, and the formula will disappear. Okay, I'll do it again. So let's say, so if you add this, look at this. So there's a formula right there. Okay, so Control A, copy, or the paste value. This is the icon. Okay, now the numbers won't be changed. Okay, so now you can work on this. So let's add, how can you find out the total value of this? So if you highlight all of this, you can see this total sum of this one, but how can we calculate this? This is how you're going to do it. Sum, and then that's it, all of that, and then hit. So now you have the total of all of these numbers. Okay, are we going to add, let's say you're going to put the 1,000 separators. This is how you're going to do it. Now, let's add column. So click Control and hold it and check cells one by one. Okay, this is, and then go home menu. There's an insert like that. Okay, or another way is Control Shift, hold it, and plus, and then you will see this, and then choose entire column. Okay, so let's say you want to calculate the total of this one for each column. Let's say sum, and let's say just drag it. Okay, now it's calculating all of that. Let's say you want to add percentage on it. Let's call it percent. So you can call this sum out. So we're going to calculate the percent. So F7 divided by the total number, right? So, but here you want to add dollar value so that it can be locked. But here, so just delete this dollar value and drag it. So let's see. Or Control Shift 5. So you're going to see this. If you want to see the more decimals, then you can do this. And then now look at this. All the formulas, getting this, the total value here. So now all you can do is copy. Boom. Oh, sorry. My bad. Let's say boom. Paste. So now if you check any of the percentages, so it is just copying all of this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's highlight this, just to see that difference. Okay, that's it. Just for simple Excel functions for fun.